in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Blonde Highlight Bob with Bangs, 13x4 frontal lace, C-part short wig, 100% human hair. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. Pretty identical if you ask me. I mean, you guys can't tell right now, but trust me, it's identical. According to the website, the product details are saying that this unit comes in 10 inches and 10 inches only. It's 100% virgin hair from one donor. It can last 1 or more years, but of course that's with the proper care. It's 150% density. The color is a natural color with blonde highlight fringe. It can be dyed because again, it is 100% human hair. It has adjustable straps in it. The cap sizing is a 22.5 inch, which is their standard medium. The lace on this unit is a medium brown. We spoke about this earlier that it's a 13x4 lace. The knots come pre-bleached and it does come with a left side parting, but because this is a 13x4, again, you can part it wherever you want to part it. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 1 on the side on each front, and then 1 in the very center. It also has adjustable straps and a security band that's pre-attached that you can adjust. The lace on this unit is a true 13x4, meaning you're getting 13 inches going straight across in the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space, and that's even including the side. I say that it's a true 13x4 because we all know most units nowadays come with the 13 in the front, but then the 4 part is like pretty much right here in the center, and then on the sides we get about 2 inches. Just a side note, typically if it's that 13x4 by 2, if you will, for LuvMe Hair, they'll typically call it a compact 13x4. But anywho, like stated earlier, this unit did come with pre-bleached knots, but I did go back in and bleach the unit one more time just because I noticed a couple of knots had been almost missed in their bleaching process. It wasn't necessarily needed, but I am trying to perfect my like bleaching and plucking and all the things, my wig installs basically. So, you know, anytime I get a chance to bleach some knots, I'm probably gonna bleach some knots. Now, as far as plucking goes, I did not pluck this unit. How she looks is how she came. Now, I might pluck her while she's on my head while I'm installing her, but I mean, we'll see. I'm low-key, high-key really excited to install this unit because like I've said in previous videos, I love me a good bob moment, but a bob moment with a little blonde moment as well. Like, I just know this unit is about to eat, so let's go ahead and install her. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love me a good bob, and this one is giving me everything that I need. If I had one negative thing to say about this unit, it would be that I wish that the hairs came down just a smidge more on the sides, and that's only because of the way my sideburns and my hairline sits, so that's a personal thing. Other than that, this unit is literally perfect. The cut has been done right. The density is on point because the unit has a lot of body and movement, especially for a unit that's not, or a bob that's not heavily layered. The positioning of the blonde streak is golden as well. I really like how they left some dark roots at the beginning and they didn't start the blonde streak like right at the root. I don't know, like the dark roots fading into the golden streak, it's just a chef's kiss. I'm not getting any tangling or shading from this unit. I mean, I wouldn't expect any tangling seeing as how it is a shorter unit, and as far as shading goes, I would expect it to come from the blonde streak, but at the same time, seeing as how the dye is not all the way at the root of the unit, I'm not really gonna expect that either. The lace on this unit is definitely giving scalp, but of course make sure you tint your lace because I do think that always helps with the scalp like appearance or effect, if you will. But yeah, this unit is for sure a winner chicken dinner in my eyes. Like, I can't get enough of her. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.